Here are three of the best-sounding V8s ever built. Let your ears decide. First up, the Mercedes-AMG 6.2-liter V8, aka the M156. It's raw, loud, and aggressive. It doesn't purr. It roars like it's angry at the world. Ready? Hear this. Next, the Ferrari 458 Italia. Yes, it's a V8, and probably the last naturally aspirated one Ferrari ever made. It revs to 9,000 RPM and sounds like a race car on fire. Let the noise speak for itself. Finally, the Lexus ISF. Japan made a V8 that sounds like it belongs on a track in hell. Underrated, angry, and rev happy. You're not ready for this.